And when I think back yesterday about how it used to be, I can't help feeling sad about what you mean to me.
This is the adventure of the blue car.
G'day, welcome back to Walkabouter's Guide to Australia. I used to travel around the country and the world in a blue ZX2 Ford Escort. Not unlike that one. Used to always get a nice mocha. Mocha? Well, I've upgraded now to a mocha cookie crumble frappuccino. Let's go into some history of the ZX2, and then I'll play some highlights from my adventures of the blue car. The Ford Escort ZX2s were assembled in Hermosillo, Sonora, Mexico, from 98 to 03. They had a ZTEC engine and 4 tires. And now to my blue car. Because of the splintering of my boomerang, parts of my blue car have been reappearing, like the passenger door handle here. My favorite episodes of the adventures of the blue car, all of them. Town of Perfect, Mount Rushmore, and of course, the Walkabouter's Guide to Australia, episode 7, that takes place in the Gaza Strip, a very topical place at the Mo. Happy 1st of April.
Speaking of scams, subscribe.